What's going on, guys? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service. I'm in my garage today. I'm installing the grass flap. I've got the flap part together. Sorry, I didn't show that to you guys. It's very simple. You just follow the directions. You put 4 bolts in and boom, it's assembled. Now I've got to take off the little rubber chute on the mower deck. Then I've got to install the flap and get that all done. So I thought I'd show you as much as I can. Thank you for watching this video today. Please hit that subscribe button and join the lawn crew. Also, if you really enjoy this video, smash that like button and be sure to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button just to stay notified when we put out a new video. Also, check out our Amazon affiliate links down in the description. Those links take you to different products that we are affiliated with, and when you click on that affiliate link and purchase that item, we get a small kickback from the purchase of that item, and that just helps us to continue creating awesome content like this video. Voila! Alright, now this sucker has to fit on here. It's got to be able to flow freely, and I think it will. Ah, fudge. Fudge. Let's see what we can do about this. Alright guys, so now we're ready to cut the flap, the little plastic flap, and I have never seen anyone cut one of these on camera, so I'm gonna do it right now. Let's do it! Alright, so the jigsaw idea that I had isn't working, so I got to try something else. Let's see what else I can get to cut this thing. It's hard plastic. Alright guys, so the only other thing that I have to cut it with is tin snips. So I'm gonna try and make a cut here, and we'll just see how it goes, I guess, because I don't have anything else to cut it with. So let's try. That sucker is hard as a rock, man. I'm gonna try to use a hacksaw. I don't have a vise either. Okay guys, so what I'm going to end up doing, so I'm going to stop by Menards, so I'm going to get a really fine blade for my jigsaw, and then I will show you how to cut that thing and make it look nice and spiffy. Okay guys, I got some plastic saw blades here for my jigsaw, so we're going to see if we can cut this plastic piece with those. Hopefully it works nice so that I get a nice clean cut, because I don't want it to look janky. So let's get to it. kind of janky, but I think it'll work. Alright, so I already drilled the hole here for my middle screw. And so now I'm just going to put that in here. And snug is good enough from what they say on the instructional videos. So, alright, before I go any further, I want to install the little angle deflector shield thing. It goes right back here, in between, sandwiches in between these two. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it to length and then notch it for these two little things here, and we should be set to go. Alright, the 10 snips worked great. Just notched those out there, and now we're going to see if it fits. Alright, so it fits good on there. The only thing I'm concerned about is that it's going to leave a gap now. When I tighten this down, it's going to kind of be out like that. And I don't like that, so I think I'm going to try and move the whole piece forward as far as I can and see if we can't get some good angle on that. Okay guys, so I found out that I put this spring up here, and that was wrong. So I now have it down here, but now I realize that this whole front plate is on the wrong side of this hinge. It should be over here instead of over here. So now I got to take it all off, but I've got this metal piece here, and this nut screws out. And it's going to hit that before it comes out, so I can't take this off. So now I got to take off the whole thing, and just to get this bolt out, and then put it back on, then move and adjust this and cut new notches, and oh boy. So I'm just trying to keep it real here and trying to show you my mistakes, because you know what? I'm human and I make a lot of mistakes. So this has to be redone. See you in a little bit. Alright, I've got a hole drilled here for the plate. So this is going to go on here like this. That is on there, and this will go on here like this, only I have to bend the plate now back so that this can sit out like this so it doesn't interfere when I put this up. Alright guys, now I'm going to bend this plate. Alright guys, we are going to stick this sucker on here. Maybe. Perfect. Now let's see if it closes. Beauteous. Perfect. That is a perfect fit. Right there. I mean, you couldn't get any closer. Awesome. Alright guys, I got the cable to install yet. I'm going to show you that because I want to show you the real world setup and installation of the grass flap, because I've struggled a little bit with it, made some mistakes. I want you guys to know how to do it a little bit better, learn from my mistakes so that you don't have to go through this. So I'm connecting the cable. This goes in here like, alright. So we're tightening the nut. Oops. We're tightening the nuts around here. And I will tighten those up more in just a minute. And then we are going to put this little pin through here. And there's a little hole there. There's a little bobby pin looking thing. We're gonna insert that through there. All right, let me show you this a little bit closer, a little bit better lighting. You see how that goes there. Got the nuts tightened around here. I'm gonna tighten those up more with some wrenches, but for now, for this video, I'm just gonna show you finger tightening. Now let's come up here to the front. So we've got this here. I've got to get another little hook for this. Got to get a little hook for this and another pin. That'll go in here, and then we will be hooked up. So this guy right here, got an opening here. We're just gonna slip that in there. Goes right on like that. Now we're ready to attach it here, and we just simply put that around, slip the pin through that hole, and we are hooked up, except I forgot one step. So let's take that back off, and we've got to do the same thing down here as we did at the other end. Slip this thing in here. Tighten the nuts back up. Finger tight for now, for the proper tension. Alright, now I'm going to test it. So let's watch and see if this thing works. Okay, so we don't have enough tension on, so we're going to adjust this one down here. There we go. Perfect. Alright guys, that is the install of the grass flap. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you or somebody else, because I struggled with it a little bit, but you know what? I'm happy with the result, and make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.